Guys, my name is Ari here, and in this video I do want to have a look at Bitcoin because Bitcoin's king, Bitcoin's the leader. The whole market has been down. I know I have been MIA recently. I've been a little bit sick, I couldn't have been doing videos, but in this video I'm gonna be diving into Bitcoin because Bitcoin is obviously in a very important region right now. Okay, so before I dive into everything, if you guys like these videos, of course, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, turn those notification bells on so you guys never miss a video. We could see right here that Bitcoin did have, I don't want to say a blow off top, but we did have a massive wick to the upside when the Bitcoin ETF happened last week, and of course we did come back down. So Bitcoin reached at 49,200, and now we are currently sitting right now at 40,375 to be exact. And if we have a look right here, something that I do want to talk about is this not the Bitcoin dominance, but the Bitcoin CME charts. Okay, so for those of you guys who don't know what the CME chart is, pretty much the chart that happened in 2017 that pretty much triggered the whole bear market. Oh, futures are coming out, and something that I'm really looking at right now is this gap. Now, what is a gap exactly, and if we can potentially close that gap? A gap is when you had some trading action in the weekend, and of course the CME chart is closed during the weekend, and what happened is that when it is closed and it opens on Monday or on Sunday night, depending where you are around the world, we essentially see a gap, whether it stays the same, or whether we see a massive volatility or huge upside movement or huge downside movement. And this is what a gap is essentially. And of course it was closed during the weekend, opened at a massive gap, and a lot of people are anticipating for this gap to be closed. Now remember, gaps don't always get closed. Yes, there's a big chance that gaps get closed, but they don't always get closed, which is why I essentially took a long right here. So if you guys are in my Telegram channel right here, you guys can see that I did take this long. I dropped all my trades right here. You guys can see that all my Solanas, all my trading journal is pretty much here. I trade shit coins, I do betting, I do whatever you guys want will be in this channel essentially. You guys can see right here I do have a long setup for Bitcoin looking to fill the gap. I already have a short trade open on Ethereum, so if you guys are interested in joining that channel, you guys, the link will be in the description below. But having a look at Bitcoin real quick, we could see that Bitcoin right now on the weekly is pulling back, consolidating, of course, on the daily time frame as well. So things are looking pretty decent overall. I'm hoping and expecting a big bounce right here on the daily time frame. If we have a look at the stock RSI real quick, something that I love, as you guys know, we know that every time we are essentially oversold on the stochastic RSI, we usually tend to see a big move to the upside. And of course this is oversold on the weekly time frame. Now what happened when we were overbought right here on the daily? We essentially came back down. What happened when we were overbought right here on the daily? We essentially came back down and corrected. So it seems like we are coming back and recorrecting at the 40,000 region. It seems like Bitcoin has found its support, but the big question is, are we going to see one more wick to the downside real quick to close that gap, or will Bitcoin close below it? Now keep in mind, if Bitcoin closes below $40,000, we could see a massive move to the downside. We could see very bearish news. So of course this support right here is gonna dictate a lot on where the next big move is gonna be. I'm currently long right now on Ethereum. Something that I do want to talk about is because we do have a very important level right here. Now I know I say in all my videos that Bitcoin's king, Bitcoin's the leader and whatnot, but of course, how can you not trade this long right here? Ethereum has been very bullish. I don't know if you guys have been watching. Ethereum has been skyrocketing. Obviously, a lot of people are using Ethereum to buy NFTs, to buy shit coins. Things are going up, and I know a lot of attention has been on Solana, but right here you could see that Ethereum did come back down and essentially retest this level. Now this level has been a level that I have been watching for a very long time. I told myself that I don't think we're going to see Ethereum go to 3K. I think we're going to see it coming back down and retest at least 2,300 before essentially moving to the upside. So this is exactly what is happening right now for Ethereum. Of course, if Bitcoin falls down and cracks a little bit below the CME charts, this could of course bring Ethereum down with it, and pretty much that's about it. We got altcoins like Kadena, arbitrum consolidating, retesting. Of course, arbitrum, if we have a look right here on the daily time frame, arbitrum is coming back and retesting its previous all-time high in 2023, early 2023. We got of course Aleph right here, blow off top, great buy opportunity in my opinion, not financial advice. Chronos, of course, very good buy opportunity right here, sitting at 8 cents. But overall, that's about it. I'm really looking at Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin is all eyes are on Bitcoin. There's no question about that. You guys can see right here, the right side of my screen, everything is red. There's no reason, you know, it's pretty obvious Bitcoin's down, and pretty much altcoins will be down as well. So that is my video, guys, on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, on the CME charts. The CME charts is something you really want to watch all the time, because these gaps usually tend to get filled, and obviously there's going to be a lot of volatility happening right here. So I'm expecting a big move this week until the end of January. If you guys like this video, of course, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys